Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me today. In this presentation, I will be discussing our project on G-Research crypto forecasting. Our objective was to predict the future returns for 14 commonly traded cryptocurrencies. Today, I will provide an overview of our methodology, key findings, and the significance of our work. Before we begin, let me give you a brief overview of what we will be covering in this presentation. We applied machine learning techniques to predict fuel returns for cryptocurrencies. Our methodology involved fetch engineering, statistical analysis, 9GBM modeling, and performance evaluation. By leveraging these techniques, we aimed to assist the investors in making informed decisions. Let's start with the data description. We worked with a training dataset that covered a period from January 2018 to September 2022. The dataset included mid-by-mid trading data for 14 frequently traded cryptocurrencies. It consisted of factors such as open, high, low, close prices, volume, and more. To gain insights into the data, we performed data visualization and exploration. We used the candidate static bar charts to visualize the trading data for the last day of Bitcoin, which provide a clear view of price movement. Additionally, we identified missing values in dataset and explained the reasons behind these gaps. We also examined the number of entries for each cryptocurrency to understand the data distribution. Moving on to fetch engineering, we utilized the technical analysis library to generate a diverse set of technical indicators. Technical analysis library provide pre-implement functions that allowed us to extract indicators related to trend, momentary, volatility, volume, and price. We evaluated various indicators and selected 45 that provided valuable insights from the trading data. Next, we conducted statistical analysis on the time series data. We assessed the stationarity using the ADF test. This helped us determine whether the data exhibited stationarity or non-stationarity. We discussed the implications of stationarity, non-stationarity for each cryptocurrency, and considered autoregressive models for prediction. We also examined the autocorrelation in the cryptocurrency price data using ACF plots. These plots allowed us to identify significant select correlations, which helped us understand the relationship between past and future returns. Furthermore, we decomposed the time series data into trade, seasonal, and the residual components using the seasonal decomposition of time series algorithm. This decomposition provided insights into the underlying patterns and traits in the data. For modeling, we selected the 9GBM as our approach for cryptocurrency forecasting. 9GBM is known for its ability to handle non-linearity and outliers. It also offers speed and performance advantages. To mitigate overfitting, we employed Monte Carlo cross-validity, creating multi-train test splits using random sampling. This allowed us to evaluate our model's performance across different splits and ensure its generalizability. To optimize our model, we performed hyperparameter tuning. We explained the importance of hyperparameter tuning and discussed the specific hyperparameters relevant to 9GBM. Techniques such as graded search and random search were used to find the optimal hyperparameters based on performance metrics. These steps help us improve the model's predictive accuracy. To evaluate why our model's performance, we used the weighted Pearson correlation coefficient. This metric provided a measure of correlation between predicted and actual returns. Considering the weightage of each cryptocurrency, Our best model achieved a weighted Pearson correlation coefficient of 0.1852, indicating a reasonable level of predict accuracy. In conclusion, our project on research crypto forecasting aims to predict the future returns of commonly traded cryptocurrencies. Thermostatic or analyze the feature engineering, not the GBM modeling and performance evaluation. We achieved the promising results. Our findings offer valuable insights for investors and stakeholders in the cryptocurrency market, aiding in decision making. Thank you for your attention. I'm now open any questions you may have.